Welcome to another episode of Submit the Ticket. I'm Scott.
And I'm Jason, and we're going to talk about scanning documents into Microsoft Teams. Yeah, so Microsoft Teams, what do you know about Microsoft Teams?
Well, Teams is kind of an interesting, because obviously everybody knows it does the chat functions, but we were just looking at it for a scan to SharePoint type solution. Basically, just learned.
So essentially, we have a problem where customers have no on-premise location to store scans, right? So how do we scan the file when we're 100% in the cloud using SharePoint?
Correct. Or in this case, the client actually does have space, but they want to eliminate an extra step. They just want it going directly into SharePoint.
Right.
So we're looking at using O365 Teams and just emailing the team, and then it'll post the email and the files in the channel, and then they can sync that with OneDrive just like a normal SharePoint site.
Yep, awesome. I love it.
So then they can, it's in there, and we eliminated a manual process of somebody having to get onto the local server, move that file into something that's synced with OneDrive. So,
Right, so essentially we don't have a local server, so you would have to scan that to a shared location on a workstation.
correct.
Right, and that's the problem. That's why we need to eliminate that step to get it directly into SharePoint, and the easiest way we found so far has been using a Teams channel.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yep.
Awesome.
Which is not exactly a normal use case that you would think of for Teams.
Sure.
So that's kind of a nice, because a lot of people's MFP devices, whatever, are old. You know, it's a 20-year-old copier printer, but it still works. So you kind of have to find ways to improvise around that.
All right, so this has been another episode of Submit the Ticket. We've enjoyed talking about Microsoft Teams and scanning. So if you want to learn more about that or anything that has to do with IT, consulting, or cybersecurity, give us a call. We will answer the phone with a smile.
Like it?
You like it?
Yeah.
I love it. I want some
Should I?
more of it.